Step 1. Add the old photos to Repairit. Download, launch, and open Repairit. Select Old Photo Restoration and Colorizer from the More Types Repair section and click on the Add button to upload the old photos from your computer. Note, you can upload multiple photos of different formats and repair them simultaneously with the batch processing feature of Repairit. Step 2. Restore and colorize old photos via Repairit. After confirming the uploaded old photos, please click on the Process button to process your old photos with AI algorithms. Note, you can also click the Process Mode button to choose a desired mode. Then Repairit will process your old photos with its advanced AI technology. Just wait for a moment. Step 3. Preview and save the processed photos. After successfully restoring and colorizing the uploaded old photos, you can click on the Preview button adjacent to the restored photo to check the photo quality. If you're satisfied with the repairing result, click on the Save button and choose a path to save the photos. The restored and colorized photos will be saved successfully after a few seconds. Now you can go to the target location where your processed photos are saved and access them without hassle.